So, hi mga mi! So, quick story time lang. Kanina kasi, nagkaroon kami ng initial interviews. One of my team did an initial interview. Tapos, meron daw doon isa na nagsabi ng onset pa lang, like kakastart pa lang nila. Parang, ayun na, marami nang sinasabi si applicant. Itong specific applicant na to, keep on saying na, I've been a manager, I handled a lot of people, and I think hindi daw siya nakukuha sa past na ina-apply niya because he is overqualified. Ikaw na, sa'yo na ang crown. Well, pero alam nyo guys, it's not about being overqualified. That's not the problem. The main reason bakit nagkakaroon ng initial interview is because we are checking your attitude, not just your resume. You're applying for a different role. What we want to see is, are you coachable? Are you easy to work with? So that is very important. And let me connect this something. Let me share with you guys yung current book na binabasa ko right now is the 45 Laws of Power. So far, ang pinaka-favorite ko is yung law number 1, never outshine the master. So, ano ba yun? Di ko rin naintindihan ng una, Mi. Pero this law teaches us to be aware of how we present ourselves. Lalo na sa mga taong nag-i-interview sa atin, our mentors, managers. Kasi if you come off as someone na parang mas magaling pa kaysa sa kausap mo, kahit hindi mo sadya, it might not work in your favor. Siguro minsan hindi umaasenso ang iba kasi kahit sobrang talented nila because they don't understand this invisible kind of power. Tandaan nyo, Mi, minsan, it's not about being the best on what you do. It's about being smart enough to know like when to speak and wise enough to know when to listen. And that's power.